In the pandemic, support payments from the Korean government have apparently meant that households have missed fewer loan payments. But if and when rates go up, the Bank of Korea is concerned that they'll be at risk. Seo Eunkyung reports.
The South Korean government's COVID-19 support measures appears to have helped households pay their debts on time. According to the Bank of Korea on Tuesday, the rate of missed payments on household loans, which are issued in the first quarter of 2020, was 0.6%. The figure is well below the previous figure of 1% for missed payments in the first year for household loans issued from 2013 to 2019. The central bank attributed the fewer missed payments to a series of COVID-19 support measures, including relief funds. According to its own analysis, the default rate is expected to have been 0.3 to 0.6 percentage points higher if there had been no government support. Based on this analysis, the Bank of Korea has advised the financial institutions to expect a growing number of bad loans, since more households are likely to miss their payments when the support measures end. The central bank also expressed concern that households in Korea could face higher debts when interest rates go up.
When interest rates in advanced economies rise, Korea and emerging countries face pressure on capital outflows. This results in higher interest rates in the domestic market. When the household loan interest rate goes up by 1 percentage point, households in Korea will pay about 12 trillion won or $10 billion more as interest each year.
However, when asked whether financially vulnerable households would end up missing their payments when interest rates go up, the Bank of Korea said that as long as household income increases along with the expected economic growth rate, default rates from this group won't be significant. Vulnerable households are those with multiple debts who either have an income in the bottom 30% income bracket or households with low credit scores. The sector also covers households who pay 70% or more of their annual income to service their debts. Seo Eunkyung, Arirang News.